Here's how you self-publish books on Amazon KDP and use tools like ChatGPT and Google Flow, which are AI tools to make the process go faster. Here we go. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is get a Kindle Direct Publishing account. And this is an Amazon account, and you could join this to the Amazon account that you currently have. And if you don't have Amazon, just sign up and join using KDP. After you get your Amazon KDP account, sign up for ChatGPT and also Google Flow. This will help you in the workflow of creating your book in a fast manner. Now, when you have your AI tools and you have your KDP account, you want to know the main rules for uploading books to KDP. So we will create a children's book. The size will be 8.5 by 8.5 inches. And you can see on this chart that choosing different sizes and also trim size will determine what you could print in. So we're choosing 8.5 by 8.5, and that will let us have all the options of printing. So you're able to print in color, the different two types of color, and also black and white. Now, a very important part in creating books that will have images is making sure that your image is 300 DPI. Maybe a lot of y'all have not heard of DPI before. And the way that you check an image for its DPI is go to the folder, right click, scroll down to properties. Then we go into the details section. As you see under image, it shows you vertical and horizontal resolution. And this is a 96 DPI. So we couldn't use this image. We have to go for a 300 DPI. So here's an example of a 300 DPI. Click on the image, right click, go to properties, go to details, and you scroll down and you should see horizontal resolution and vertical resolution is at 300 DPIs. So you can use this type of image in KDP when creating your books. Next, you want to get the templates that are in KDP. They provide you with templates that you could download. So here's the section to download templates. And it's paperback and hardcover manuscripts templates. Next, we want to find a topic that generates the most money in book sales and on YouTube views. And you can access this in ChatGPT or in any AI services that you use. What we plan to do right now is to remix a book in the public domain. All books that are in the public domain, they can be republished and you can revise them. So that's what we're going to go as an example for right now. So in ChatGPT, in the prompt, I'm going to place, give me the top 5 best-selling children's books in the public domain. Now let's use the Lion and the Mouse. We're going to remix the Lion and the Mouse. Now we create a prompt to create our book. So basically, we're going to take the Lion and the Mouse story and replace the lion with a bobcat and the mouse with a squirrel. And we're going to make sure it's funny and amusing to children. Now that you generate your story, you want to generate the characters. So ask your AI bot, create an image of the bobcat and of the squirrel. Then you will download these pictures. Now in ChatGPT, create image prompts for each part of the story to place in Google Flow. Include background description. This is for a children's book. As you see, it gave us the image description and also the background. Now you want to take this and go to Google Flow. So to get a 300 DPI image in Google Flow, you would just simply place your prompt that you're using right here. And select the character you want to use. Choose a bobcat, add the prompt. And I'm going to use a 1x1, and let's generate 2 pictures, and we're going to use Nano Banana 2. Let's generate it. Now here's the image that the prompt produced. Now go to download and select 2K. Now let's double check if the image is in 300 DPI. Right click. Let's go to properties, details, scroll down, and it's in 300 DPI. So we're able to use this image. You want to make sure that all your images are in 300 DPI, or it's not going to print out well once it goes into book form. Now, when we have all our content that we want in our book, we're going to go to the template, the 8.5 by 8.5, and just replace everything with our information. When adding an image in the template, you want to make sure that you go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and select the image that is 300 DPI. You do not want to increase the size, but you can decrease the size and it will still be high quality and probably be higher than 300 DPI. But increasing the size, you're taking away from the resolution in pixels. So you don't want to increase the size of your image. You want to keep it to the original size, or you want to minimize the size. After you have finished placing all your text and information that is needed for the book, you want to save it and go to Amazon KDP to publish it. Once you're in KDP, select Create New Titles or Series. Select what format you want the book. Click Create Paperback. You will fill out all this information for your book. So anything you're unsure of, make sure you plug it into the chat bot to answer your questions, especially when you come to description. Place all your information and what you would like to see in the description in the chat bot, and it will create a description for you. Once you have completed this section, on the next section you will upload all your content from your book and also select the pricing. And that is how you upload and self-publish books to KDP.